Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change paper margins Google Docs on computer. So how to change paper margins Google Docs on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Docs on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Docs work page. Just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap this File menu. Here there are several menu options. Tap the Page Setup menu. Well, here, a menu like this appears. Here there are lots of menu options. And at the bottom itself, there are margin settings. You need to know the margin size format, which uses inches. Then please change the margin range starting from the top, bottom, left and right. Like what I did here. After finishing, tap OK. Here I have finished changing the margins in Google Docs. So that's it, tutorial how to change paper margins Google Docs on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.